we're gonna take the whole thing out.
I feel so bad for her. She's upset because she just sat there for 8 hours. That must
This
have
is
been so
after
hard
it's
having to
done?
sit there and
Oh, God.
What? They spend 8 hours on a model's hair only to be like, you know what? We don't like this. And then they chop her hair off. It's cycle 8 of America's Next Top Model. Let's take a look at these makeovers.
Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we today? Which they're here with Nico, who is a really good friend of ours. Nico's actually even worked with Tyra since she was 17 years old. He loves radical makeovers.
Oh, God.
What is this?
Oh, my God.
Makeovers today.
I said we're not even doing this season because every season the girls are crying and I don't want people to see me with my hair weave tracks out. I don't want to cut my hair.
So you don't think my hair should be one length?
No.
I look like a boy.
I hate short hair.
She didn't lie.
I'm gonna go back to my boyfriend.
I don't know. Do you want them? Yeah! Tell me again that you need them.
Don't, are you, really?
Here we go!
Was that voluntary?
So we're gonna take your hair long.
Okay, wait. I would have been the first one to leave if I saw that compilation, which the girls didn't see. They're all like, yeah. There was a little bit of hesitation. I heard it. Tyra's like, are you sure we can ruin your life and you're not going to cry about it? They're like, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
JL. So we're gonna take your hair long and down to here. But you're not gonna be a blonde anymore. You're going to be a brunette. Cassandra, take that hat off. You have a wig sewn on top of your head, which I have never heard of before in my life.
The wig is sewn on, like so. It's sewn all
Tyra's
around.
face.
That wig is coming off. Clip, 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 clip.
Yay.
But you're getting a weave. Down to here, thick and curly and wavy, big, beautiful afro. Renee, strong face, strong shoulders, and hair just kind of in the way. So we are chopping it off Yolanda style, cycle 2. Yes. Okay, Whitney, this weave is coming out, and a girl with such beautiful personality, beautiful sparkle, beautiful shine, needs a lot of beautiful hair down to here, curly, wavy, big. Diana, you're gonna go blonde, and even maybe a couple of weave tracks to make it thicker and longer. Felicia, we're going to give you bangs to here to cover up all that breakage. That'll be all covered, but we're not stopping here. This is only one layer. Your next layer is down to here. Dion, I love your side ponytail. I think it is so pretty, but there's something else that will work for you too.
What is that?
Do you know the singer Khalees?
Yes.
You know how her hair was short and with the heavy thing in the front? Sarah, we just want to shape
heavy
you up
thing
a
in the
little bit,
front.
add a little dirtiness in there. Because right now it's just really flat.
Dirtiness
Jasmine.
in there? Tyra's saying we're going to add some dirtiness in there while trying to explain the makeover. Tyra, the trick is you have to show up on America's Next Top Model with a pixie cut, and that's how you get long hair. That's how you have to do it.
Jasmine, there's a lot of length, probably too much. We're gonna have to bring that up. So we're gonna work with that. Make it thick, body, and flowy.
Okay.
Brittany, you're a girl that can almost handle anything. Long, wavy red hair, big and bushy.
See, I told you
And
guys.
last but not least,
Her hair was short.
Natasha. What you're gonna be getting is a Vidal Sassoon inspired cut. It's gonna be a little shorter in the back and come shh. And it's gonna be chocolate brown.
I love her. I love her so much. What did I tell you guys? Brand new who had short hair. Now she's getting long hair because she followed my advice.
Are we ready?
Well, wait a minute. If they're ready for a makeover, don't you think it's time that you do a makeover? Because Miss J and I have been talking.
I'm ready for anything.
Well, you got some scissors, Jay?
Yes, we do have some scissors.
Yeah, we do. Turn it just a little bit, you know.
What?
My boyfriend's not gonna like
Is
my
that
hair.
how they do it at the salon?
I can't do it. I don't want to be America's Next Top Model.
That cut's gonna work, but you guys are really gonna work your cuts. And after
It's a
you're
good
all done,
performance.
we're gonna have a photo shoot.
Very
So
believable.
you ready to do this?
I'm gonna go light brown.
This is a nice tone, huh?
The color, it really brings out my facial
Wow.
features. It really is awesome.
She looks good in both, I think. I like her with the dark hair too. She looks gorgeous as a blonde though. What do you guys think? Which one's better? Also, I love the photography and the outfits for this photo shoot. That looks cool.
What's up, 1B?
My head is burning a little bit, but
What?
I'm not
Why did he say wannabe?
I would've never
Hold on,
in a
is that,
million years.
did he really just say that? What's up, wannabe? No, he didn't say that.
What's up, 1B?
My head is burning a little bit, but I'm not nervous.
I don't know what he said, but I hope it's not wannabe. Is that how you greet people? What's up, wannabe? You want to be a model? You want to be America's Next Top Model? Bring out the shears. Bring out the gardening tools. Since she wants to be America's Next Top Model, we'll show her what it takes.
I would have never in a million years got my hair cut like this. I'm loving it.
I just don't know how I'm gonna feel about having thick hair because I can't even clean the hair out of my brush. Dead hair freaks me out.
I had my hair dyed a whole bunch of times.
I mean, I can put up with it if I have to. I would just rather not be burned if I don't have to be.
I'm so excited. I'm so glad I'm getting some new hair.
I am very happy that I'm going to get an afro. I love how it gives you a little natural facelift. I handled it and endured it, and the afro came out fabulous.
Wow.
Can you bring a little of this to our photo shoots?
She's beautiful.
So yeah, we can sweep this, or we can separate it and hide the part.
By chopping off my hair, I felt like they just chopped off all this anger, resentment.
Chopped off anger.
Like a hair commercial. It felt very, very good.
Love that.
They're cutting all of my hair off.
No.
When we do these kind of changes, they're meant to make a difference for you.
Right.
Not just to do it just for the sake of it.
Right.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see what it
Mr.
looks
J,
like.
no one
and-
believes that. Nobody believes it. I don't believe it. This looks like a Pokemon character haircut. Mr. J giving the speech on
We would never do it just for shock value. We would never do it just to make you look. I mean, he's saying he shook his head no, because he would never.
When we do these kind of changes, they're meant to make a difference for you.
Right.
Not
She's like,
just to do
right,
it just for the sake
sure.
of it.
Right.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see what it looks like, and I'm just gonna have to work with what I'm given.
Oh my God. They styled it like this, but how's she gonna style it? They fixed it for the picture where it looks somewhat it looks okay, but then when she's at home, when she wakes up in the morning, how do you want her to style it? We have no talent. We can't. There's no way I would be able to do something. And that doesn't even look good to me, by the way. This doesn't even look good. But that's their version of styling this for the best type of look.
Get normal people hair. I don't know how to act.
It won't
Normal
be
people
fun.
hair.
Guarantee you.
Transforming the Beast, part 1. Things have to be wilder inside. Make sure that nobody mistakes my normal hair for a normal attitude.
Normal head.
I need my makeover today.
Oh my
This
God.
don't look like one of the girls.
Miss
we were
J
supposed
was
to
having
make over
FOMO.
earlier today. I think you should go very Mia Farrow, and if you have an issue with it, I think you should just leave my set.
I don't want to talk about it. I came in to make the bitches over, and I got the makeover, so the joke was on me.
Tyra assigned me bangs and a darker color. I think this is perfect.
Yeah, I think she looks great. I love the bangs on her. I love the outfit the girls are wearing for this photo shoot. And this photo shoot in general looks amazing.
I think this is perfect.
I love your spirit to death, and I know you got model in you.
I think that it proves any look can work for me.
She's so cute. I don't know. Why does the picture look like this? The haircuts in the photos look different than the haircuts in real life. Like when you see the girls on camera, it looks totally different than what they take in the picture. And they show us the before and after.
I think that it proves any
This
look
looks more
can
chocolate
work for
brown.
me.
And then in the picture, it looks dark. It looks darker.
Try and hang in there.
I never thought getting my hair done would be such a long ordeal because I would never do this to myself.
I kind of like her. I kind of like her with the shorter hair. Maybe it's just the weave that they're putting in. I don't know. It doesn't look that great on her. I don't know about this makeover. I think she looks better before with the shorter hair. I don't like how it looks here for some reason. Her short hair was cuter. It fit her more. Yeah, I like it before.
This is everything that I wanted and more. Like, I am in
this is really good
with this new hairstyle.
Wow. I love the photo shoot.
I love your hair color.
Oh my God, the blonde piece.
So I really like this. It's very cute, and I think I'm gonna stay like this for a long time.
Wow. Yeah, that looks good.
It takes about 8 hours to complete my new fabulous do, and it hurts like hell. Is he gonna bleed?
I felt sorry for Brittany and JL to see them have to get those braids because I know that hurt like crazy.
See how I'm transforming into normal?
Just stop you for a sec. I just had a call with Tyra. She agrees. There are things that we're really fighting here with your hair. The braided weave only comes so high, and then we had to glue multiple tracks in. It's not taking you to that elevated look that the other girls are going to. Like, they're all starting to turn into kind of models. It's kind of bringing you down a little. I would hate for it to hurt your chances in the competition.
Right.
So with that being said, we're gonna take the whole thing out. Kashawn is gonna do a really short, kind of very Rosemary's Baby cut.
Yeah, I feel it was so bad for her. She's upset because she just sat there for 8 hours. That must
This
have
is
been so
after
hard,
it's
having to
done?
sit there in the pain, and then it not even be worth anything.
Oh, God.
What? You guys chose it for her. What do you mean? We don't want it to hurt your chances in the competition, but you picked that for her, and you made her sit through it for 8 hours. At any point during those 8 hours, you could have stopped it and been like, you know, we're not really liking it. Maybe the first hour, the first 1 hour, they didn't say anything. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. They didn't say anything until they're done, completely done. They're styling it. He's like, you know, can you guys can you guys just wait before you continue? It's like, they're done. There's nothing. You put her, oh my God. Just watching it looked painful. I can't imagine them putting it all in and then having to take it out and then redo her hair all over again. That is kind of cruel to do. They're bringing back Rosemary's Baby. We thought we left that in cycle 5. We didn't, guys. We didn't. They're never going to let her go. They're never going to let her just be a baby and Rosemary be her mom. It's never going to happen.
We're sitting in the salon and I see the J's talking to JL. So they told her after she had been sitting there for 8 hours getting the weave sewn in that they're gonna take it all out and chop all of her hair off.
Oh man, as my hair's being cut off, I just feel kind of traumatized.
They're cutting it off.
You have to work extra hard now that you don't have any hair on your head.
I have never had to go through that ordeal of getting my hair done.
Excuse me?
Having to take it out the same day you get it put in. Like, that's absolute hell.
You look so much better.
Wait, hold
Your
on.
face
I'm sorry. This is absolutely crazy. I don't even know what to say. Just her going through this is absolutely insane to me. They just start cutting her hair as they're taking out the weave. For 8 hours, she sat there thinking she's going to get extensions. And then they just chop her hair off in the end.
I do like my hair. I have to get used to it.
She pulls off this haircut very well. It looks good on her. The color looks great. The process for her was just very painful, and she said it traumatized her. Cairo, come here. Say hi to everybody. Come say hi. Say hi to my chunky cat. This is Cairo. Cairo, what do you think of this haircut? Cairo? Cut and color looks good on her, but I mean, did you have to put the girl through all this? You had 8 hours to be like, you know, before you sew in the 60th weave into her head painfully, can you just give us a second? Maybe we don't want to go this direction.
And I understand the tears for a minute, so decide
For a
whether or
minute,
not
just
you
1
wanna
minute.
own it.
I'm gonna own this.
Okay.
I do like my hair. I have
He's
to
like,
get used
decide
to
if
it.
you want to accept the haircut that you now have.
I'm a rocker.
For those of you who didn't make the cut, you have one more chance to make it up to me. Love, Tyra.
All of us are going, what? What the heck?
To
And
make
I
it
thought,
up
you
to
know, this is
Tyra.
gonna be a makeup challenge.
A makeup challenge.
God, it itches so bad.
Oh no.
I'm really not trying to complain. I'm really not. just hurts. My head hurts so bad.
You know what's funny about Brittany? She wants sympathy from others, and I'm like so sick of it already.
She has weave sewn in her hair.
Cry about what?
Everything.
Oh, everything?
Brittany just cries. She just starts crying and crying and crying. And sometimes I just want to smack her and be like, girl, I will give you something to cry about. Why you just be crying all the time?
When I hear a girl boo-hoo and she's crying because her boyfriend just got shot, or we are crying because our roommate just got shot or something like that, people don't cry over every little thing. People cry about major stuff that's happening in their lives.
I told her how it was, and I said, end of story, and I
headaches
slapped her up, and I
are
gave her the
painful.
deuces, and I walked away.
Your steak's ready.
Your steak's ready. I get pain just by wearing headbands or having my hair pulled too tight when I'm wearing a ponytail. And that hurts. Can't imagine having all of that sewn into your head, feeling like you have the biggest headache and your scalp is in pain, and then people criticizing you for complaining about that. Because I would definitely be complaining. You can cry about big stuff and then still cry about small stuff, and it's all valid. There's things to be upset about, sure. I mean, but I understand Brittany though. I feel like having that sewn into your head would just be so painful if you're not used to it, especially. And I think her short hair was better. Do you guys think that they should have kept the long hair in for JL, or do you guys think she looks better with the short hair? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.